What's up, everybody? This is your boy JR303 back at you with another unboxing. This is what we got for you today. I did unbox this. I didn't know if I was going to unbox it for everybody, but I figured I might as well. So I did put the batteries in. But this is what we're going to be looking at today. It's a GoPro 10 with the special bundle. I got this so I could start shooting better content for you. And we'll have hopefully better pictures. We can go out on the range and things like that. And I do have a bunch of accessories I'll be doing unboxings for in the near future. Show you what we got. This is what it comes with, the box. This is what the box looks like. And I got the upgrades, like I said. This runs around $400 on sale right now. I don't know if GoPro still has it. Supposedly it comes with a 1-year subscription, unlimited cloud storage, so we'll see about that. But here's the box, GoPro box it comes in. A soft / hard carrying case. Let's get into it. Okay, up here they got your directions. And so you could download the Quick app. Give you some stickers. And they give you your instructions. As you guys know, so it has a whole lot of pages in different languages. So let's put that back. In the box you get your camera. It comes with all the screen protectors. Comes with these. I'm going to be upgrading these to the Telesin. So it has that screw so I can put it on a tripod. It comes with those so you can attach accessories to it. We're going to be upgrading the plastic door. And I'll show you. We'll open that. So you pull down on that. See how it, when you push, you gotta push it in, pull down, and it's push up to lock it. So, like I said, I put in the battery, and this bundle comes with, let me show you guys, this SanDisk 32 gigabyte. And you can use that, but I don't think it's a good enough card because I was reading a lot that these will overheat. And then you have, it's probably because the processing is not fast enough. They say a lot of that resolves when you upgrade that to the Extreme Pro. And I'm going to show you which one I got here after. But, and there's your charging port, C-type. Here's your battery. GoPro battery. We'll put that back in. Put that, lock it down. Alright, so let's see what other accessories. It comes with this clip. So you can, I guess, clip it to things. Put that there. It comes with these quick click clips. So you can insert, and then these are really good. I have some cheap ones, but they don't have this that locks them in, the rubber. So like you would, so you want to put your GoPro on this, you would lift that up. Oh, sorry, I have to go from the back. Slide it in, lock it, and then lock this down, and then it's locked. So you get one of those. You get another battery. And I did also upgrade the batteries. So I'm buying and that's what I suggest. This doesn't, I didn't see it with the plug. They do have a supercharging plug, but I would just go like with the box that just for, like I'm getting the Telesin battery chargers. And I just bought 2 Endura batteries. And those are supposed to be like 30% bigger. But, so I have 4 batteries altogether. And then a charging case that charges 3 at a time. And then let's see, I'll give you another one of these clips. This is like more of a low profile style clip. And they give you these little screw so you can lock your GoPro in with. Get 2 of those. And then comes with the 3M, I guess. It's a curve kind of stick mount. Probably for a helmet or something like that. See, it has a curve on it. Let's get into here. It does come with the charging cable, C-type charging cable. Let's see. Camera. This one comes with the Selfie Stick. Here's your Selfie Stick. It has good metal components. Feels like these are plastic though. And let's see. So it does extend. So this is full extension, so it's not huge, but it has like a little tripod too on the bottom. So you can either hold it as a as a selfie stick or as a tripod. Let's check that out. So you would get your camera, put your little feet, insert it like so. Try to line up so you can get this in. And there it goes. And then screw it tight. And you get your little tripod. Let's go up one. Your power button. %54% on the battery. Then it has a different options. I do have to do an update on this, but they have your wide. Let's go back. Your different. See, I don't have them all, but I might be doing the update. Your activities, cinematic for video. Let's go back. This is for, I believe, the motion for smoothness. And like I said, I have to see how it keeps the pictures flat. So let me go back and zoom the speed at what you record. This is at 30 frames per second. So yeah. Okay, so here's the back. Now we could turn around to the front. And you guys can see it. I don't want to show you guys all my studio lights, but you can see what you're recording from the front. So then you have we're starting the recording, see? So yeah, this is the GoPro. Let me stop it. It stops. Let me show you the memory card I decided to go with. So this is our first upgrade. I went with the Pro Grade Digital. And this is a V60, not the V30. And it's the XC2, not the 1. So this can operate at 250 megs per second. Whereas those, I think it's like 90. The Extreme is like at 125. So I'm hoping that in here, this is the information on it, the SD card by Pro Grade. I guess we'll do a dual unboxing. Okay, let's see what it comes with. Comes with a little adapter. That's how we'll be putting this on my GoPro. There's your little SD reader. And you get the... hold on, sorry, I went backwards. Nope, I didn't. Your card. So there we go. So this is the GoPro 10. Hope y'all like it. Remember, try to give us those thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time. Also check out our new Instagram at JR303official. And check out our other videos. Give us some feedback and let's grow this channel. Till next time.